Good morning, viewers. We are here now again at the Oriental Mindoro TV station, and we have our guest for this morning, the Chief of the Police Community Relations of the province of Oriental Mindoro, Police Chief Inspector Juan Calaluan. Good morning, Chief Inspector Calaluan.
Good morning, Sir Rafi.
What can you say about the peace and order in our province of Oriental Mindoro?
Peace and order situation in Oriental Mindoro is manageable with the implementation of all laws as well as maintenance of peace and order within the area of responsibility with the active support and participation of the community that lead to the attainment of the mission and the common goal of a peaceful and citizen-friendly Igorod warrior community service.
You mentioned about the support of the community. What do you think is the impact of the good police and community partnership?
Good police and community partnership reaches consensus of mutual goal of police and community of living in a peaceful community. Positive look to the PNP organization is enhanced. Mutual respect and trust are shared. There is serious concern and commitment to each other. Also, there is willingness to donate time and effort in support of programs that improve the quality of life in a community. We got healthy and progressive community. The community feels safe and investors are encouraged to do business.
Therefore, the peaceful community and the healthy community is essential for the investors to come in our province.
Yes, Sir Rafi.
For your message, your last message to our viewers.
Sa ating mga kababayan dito sa lalawigan ng Oriental Mindoro, kami pong mga kapulisan ay naririto upang maglingkod para sa kaayusan at kapayapaan ng ating lalawigan. At sana ay pagpatuloy natin ang ating magandang ugnayan ng mga pulis at ng mamamayan dito sa ating lalawigan.
Okay, salamat po, Police Inspector Calaluan. Once again, this is your Uncle Man, Rafael Palma. Good morning.